Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect quiche base. Start with the right ingredients for a perfect quiche base. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of very cold unsalted butter cut into small cubes, and about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of ice water. Don't forget a small pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, to bring out the best in your crust. Having everything prepped and chilled is key to success. Now, let's mix. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour and salt. Add the cold butter cubes and use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, with some pieces about the size of small peas. Slowly add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently until the dough just comes together. Avoid overworking the dough for a tender crust. Once your dough is formed, gently shape it into a flat disc, wrap it tightly in plastic, and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is crucial for gluten relaxation and easier handling. When ready, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll the dough evenly from the center outwards, aiming for a 12-inch circle, approximately 1/8 of an inch thick, to fit your pie plate. Gently transfer the rolled dough into a 9-inch pie plate, pressing it lightly into the bottom and sides. Trim any excess dough and crimp the edges decoratively. For a crisp crust, blind bake it. Line the dough with parchment paper, fill with pie weights, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Remove weights and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until lightly golden. This ensures a perfectly cooked quiche base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.